Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this playlist, I'll make series of videos that explain the basic of civil engineering and give general knowledge. These courses are useful for everyone. For engineers, mechanical, electrical and architects, and also for everyone looking for information about engineering. In this video, I'll explain everything about concrete. What is concrete? Concrete is a composite material made of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with cement that hardens over time. It is made up of three basic components: 15 to 20% water, 60 to 75% aggregate, which are sand and gravel, and 10 to 15% of Portland cement. What is Portland cement? Portland cement is a binding material in the form of ground powder, usually gray, that is manufactured by burning and grinding a mixture of limestone and clay or limestone and shale. The inventor Joseph Aspdin, of England, patented the basic process in 1824, naming it for the resemblance of the stone and the village of Portland. How was concrete first made? Concrete was invented in about 1300 BC when Middle Eastern builders found that when they coated the outsides of their pounded clay fortresses and home walls with a thin, damp coating of burned limestone, it reacted chemically with gases in the air to form a hard, protective surface. Then a method for producing Portland cement was developed in England and patented by Joseph Aspdin in 1824. Concrete reacts very good when he is under compressive force, but is much weaker in tensile forces. That's why concrete is used with other materials, like steel. In this case it is reinforced concrete. Fibers are used too in concrete. Even when these materials are added, cracks appears when the concrete is subject to tensile force. Sometimes, we add adjuvants too. We will talk about these topics in details in other videos. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.